Welcome back. In this video, we have this huge dataset. We wanted to count the job title for each of the job titles. This is a huge dataset which I am having. This is the complete details of the employees. With this dataset, I need to find out what is the count of each of the job title. For example, if I take this job title and if I take the cash manager as the one of the job title, I wanted to know how many employees are in the cash manager job title. For this, I have to use the function which is called as COUNTIF equals COUNTIF, open the bracket. Then I need to select the range for the job title. So I'll select the range for the job title. I have selected the range and I will use the formula bar here and I will enter the string which is the job title itself. Since I wanted to find the cash manager job title, so I'll enter cash manager in double quotes and close the bracket. So I am counting how many cash managers are there. I will enter. So there are 27 job title with cash manager. If I wanted to find out the system administrator job title, I will use the same function again. I can copy this function, the same formula, and paste it. Instead of cash manager, I can edit this and enter system administrator. System administrator and enter. So it says there are no system administrator. I think I have missed the spelling. It says 0 because I have missed the spelling here. So I need to put S here. So this is systems administrator and I have to use the same job title to find out the count. So I will enter. There are 13 job titles with system administrator. Similarly, you can find any other job title and find out the count of each of the job titles. I will copy the function again. Now I want to copy this healthcare specialist. I will enter healthcare specialist. That is also wrong. I think I have missed the spelling. So I'll copy this, edit the formula and edit the string itself. I will update the string with the correct job title. I will enter now. So there are 18 employees with job title of healthcare specialist. So I can find out like this. I can find out the count of each of the job title by using the same function again and again. If I don't want to do this, there is a simple method. What I can do is I will select the entire range of cells like this, or I can simply go to the, I don't select anything. I can simply click on insert. I'll select the pivot table from table range. So it has automatically selected the range of cells, which is the columns and the rows. It has already taken. I will use new worksheet. So it is asking me where exactly I need to use this pivot table. So I'll use new worksheet for this pivot table. Click on OK and you have the pivot table. Since we wanted to know the count of each of the job title, what I will do is I will select the job title in the rows, and I wanted to know the values for the job title. I will use the values again for the job title. Not this way, I have to use from the job title itself. Now you are able to see, after using the pivot table in the rows and in the values, it is given me the count for each of the job title. We checked for the system administrator. Let us see, it was 13 there. When we use the count, yes, it is given the exact value. And also we have checked the cache manager, it was also 27. So this is how you can check the count using two methods, using the pivot table or using the COUNTIF function. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe, share the video. Thank you and take care.